How to use external microphone in laptop. Take the cord of a microphone and plug in. Now here you can see speaker icon. Right click. Here you can see open sound settings. Click it here. Scroll down. Here you can see choose your input device. By default internal microphone is selected, but we want to use external microphone. Currently it is not available. Sometime external microphone has an extra cable to attach with, and then the external microphone would appear. As you can see, this microphone has external cord. First we need to attach the microphone cable with this cord, and then the external microphone would appear here. As you can see, there is a mic icon. We need to attach the microphone cord with this cord. As you can see, it has now attached. Now attach this with the laptop. As you can see, now it has attached. Now the microphone has plugged in. As you can see in the input device, now the external microphone is showing. Here you can select the external microphone from here. You can test the external microphone. Hello, hello, hello. It means it is working. As you can see the blue line, it means it is working. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.